Spleen 6 is located on the inside of your leg, the width of 4 fingers above the tip of your ankle bone. To locate spleen 6, find the tip of your ankle bone, put your hand there and find the spot that is the width of 4 fingers just above it. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is spleen 6. Activate spleen 6 by rubbing the ear quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a SHIN, it might look like this. Now find and activate spleen 6 on your other leg.